This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite trades, Tesla, TSLA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily chart. Now the earnings are coming out here, I believe it's January 23rd, in that area right there. So usually what you want to do is buy this stock ahead of time and run it into the earnings and sell it right into the earnings, okay? So we're going to see if that's going to play out again this time. So let me just big this up a little bit, and I'll show you exactly what's going on. All right, now let's just look at the upside. The key upside here is 259.84. Now you can see we got a sideways action thing going here. There just isn't really any kind of a juice right now here. But again, if you can get above that 259.84, then what we want to do here is we want to come up here to this candle right here, okay? So this here is going to be 265.41, and then we have this candle is going to be right here, 268.94, okay? Take that price channel across. Then we come with this price channel here, and we're going to be looking at this candle here at 273.93, and then we come up to this candle right here, which is basically 278.98. Now, what I want to show you here is top of this candle right here is sitting at 280.93. That's the gap. And then look to the bottom of this candle right here. This is 289.52. That's your fill. So you have your gap and your fill. And those usually are pretty nice targets. Again, and then your retest there is 299.29. Okay, so that's basically there on your upside there. So if you can break above that 259.84, we just take these candles all the way over and then always watch this gap right here and then watch that fill and then your big retest there at the 299.29. Now, the downside here, you can see where it's been holding here really good, this 8 SMA here, okay? You can see that, okay? See, look at here, okay, it came down there, but then it recapped it pretty quick. And then now it sold right off there yesterday on the sell-off, and then you're recapping it again here, okay? So right here is what you want to watch. This is that 248.56. That's going to be very, very key. Right below it, you got 243.04, and there's your 21 SMA here. And then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 241.49. Again, if that's lost here, you got your 232.61 here. Then we have this key 200 SMA here sitting at 227.29 here. Okay, so one thing we always want to do is look at is we want to look after any gaps and fills. So if you look at the bottom of this candle here is 226.54, and then the top of this candle here is 225.40. So that never filled that gap, okay? So if it doesn't happen to sell down, then we always want to look to that gap in the fill, and your 200 SMA here is sitting right there very nicely. Now you can see where this gapped up here, but it filled it here really, really nicely, and then it just rallied right back up here. But this little bit of gap and fill here did not, so that's going to create a really nice support. So again, bottom line, watch this 259. If it can close above, that's the key, not intraday, but close above, then we can ratchet up all these candles to the possible gap fill and maybe even a retest here at that 299.29. On the downside, watch this key 8 SMA here. And then you have your 21-day, your 100 SMA here, your 50 SMA here sitting at 232.61, and then your nice retest here of your 227.29, and then we have your gap right here sitting at 226.54, and your fill sitting at 225.40. Now, as far as the earnings goes, I know they've been really cutting the prices here on these vehicles here. They're supposed to deliver, I think they would want to deliver 1.8 million cars for the year. Last time they were at 1.3, so I don't know if you're going to deliver 500,000 cars here in this little bit of time here. So we got to see how it all shakes out, but the key is going to be the forward guidance on what they think is going to happen here, okay? That is going to be very, very key level here. Now, you look at your RSI here. Well, again, you can, there's really no divergence. There's really nothing going on here. You can have room to run up or down here. Your MACD is still bullish. Your green is above the red here. So basically, this is a really nice. I scalp this every day here for a trade, and you can get anywhere from say 3 points to 15 points out of this thing in a day here. So now again, if you say, oh no, I don't believe in the Tesla long here, is an easy way to short this is with TSLS. Okay, that's an easy way if you want to do the short on Tesla. Now, I did use that here when Tesla was buying that Twitter or X or whatever it is here, and the stock just fell right off the map. That was a really, really nice trade on the short side. All right, that's what I got for you on the old Tessie. Thanks for watching.